US-Israeli airstrikes on Iran continue. Retaliatory missile and drone attacks hit Israel, UAE, Saudi Arabia, and Kuwait. US-Israeli airstrikes on Iran continued for a second consecutive day following the killing of Iranian Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei. Explosions were reported in Tehran as Israel stated it was expanding its operations into the heart of the Iranian capital. Iran also launched a retaliatory attack with missiles and drones on Israel, US military installations across West Asia and sites in Saudi Arabia and the UAE, including Dubai. Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guards Corps says in a statement that they have attacked USS Abraham Lincoln with 4 ballistic missiles. The strike group also has 3 destroyers loaded with Tomahawk land attack cruise missiles. Israeli emergency services have said that the death toll in an Iranian ballistic missile in Israel's Beit Shemesh city has now risen to 9, while 27 people were injured, including 2 in serious condition. The Defense Ministry on the UAE confirmed that 3 people were killed in Iranian attacks so far. Giving details, it said Iran fired 165 ballistic missiles at the country, of which 152 were intercepted, while 13 fell into the sea. The Defense Ministry said Tehran also launched 541 bomb carrying drones. 506 of those were destroyed and 35 struck the UAE, killing 3 people from Pakistan, Nepal, and Bangladesh and injuring 58 others. Authorities in Abu Dhabi confirmed that a drone targeting Zayed International Airport was intercepted. Dubai International Airport also sustained damage in a separate incident. 2 people were hurt when debris from intercepted drones fell into the courtyards of 2 homes in Dubai. Qatar, Bahrain, Jordan, and Kuwait, which host US military bases, also reported intercepting missiles fired towards them, but falling debris appeared to have caused widespread damage. The Kuwait military said Iran launched 97 ballistic missiles at the country. Earlier, 3 Kuwaiti troops were injured after shrapnel fell at Ali Al Zalem Air Base. Kuwait's Ministry of Health confirmed 1 death and 32 injuries linked to the regional escalation. In Bahrain, the Interior Ministry reported that airport was damaged after being targeted by a drone. Saudi Arabia's foreign ministry said it has summoned the Iranian ambassador after accusing Tehran of launching strikes against the kingdom. Meanwhile, Oman's state news agency reported Dhakam commercial port was targeted by 2 drones, injuring 1 worker. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Thank you, everyone. Bye.